Hey planner friends, how's it going? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Ryan and this is A Man With The Plans, and you can tell by that fun pink font, this is all about a Krissyanne Designs haul that I got, and I think I know what this is. I'm pretty excited. I've been a fan of CAD for years and years. Me and favorite daughter Emily were kind of obsessed when all of her stuff came out at Michael's a couple years back. There's a hilarious video of that. We were trying out the new products together, did like a joint plan with me, both of our planners at the same time. And I went ahead last year and ordered myself one of these. Got myself the Celebrations collection last year, and I am obsessed with this. I think it is just so fun. People clamor for this every single year, and so Kristen was nice enough to send me something ahead of time. So let's go ahead and open this box up. I just covered up my address, but so here we go. Go get that out of the way. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out of here because I'm pretty stoked. Again, you got that amazing pink wrapping paper. And then I always try to save this. I've got a sticker for that and put it in my planner when I get an order. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Oh. Success! Okay, so that's going in my planner for today, but let's go ahead and unwrap my lovely little Celebrations collection. I am just so excited. This is, I can't wait. So, first things first, here. Oh my god, he's so cute! This is the St. Patrick's Day Steve. I believe that's a pot of gold, or actually it could be a thing of popcorn. He is just absolutely delightful. He's so cute. I can't handle him. So he's a little keychain, and if you use the coupon code down below on your order, you'll get one of these, which is just so fun. You'll get yourself a little incentive for that special Steve keychain. My coupon code is actually my Instagram handle, so @AMANWITHTHEPLANS. Pretty simple. But yeah, isn't he adorable? This is so cute. I'm actually gonna put this on my car keys and just kind of have him dangle there and hang out. So gotta love some lucky pot of gold Steve. And then the moment we've all been waiting for. Bum ba ba bum. Oh gosh, so stunning. I'm so excited, I can't even help it. It's like a Christmas day here, so get that bubble wrap out of the way. Also, love spying the fun washi. Gotta keep that for later. But so here we go. Oh my gosh, we've got some festive die cuts, and we've got ourselves a sampler. We've got ourselves the Celebrations collection. All right, so here she is in all her glory. I don't know why I gendered a binder, but anyway, so you've got some gorgeous die cuts, which we will walk through later on. But here it is, the Celebrations collection 2021. As you can see, a different route with the pink from last year. Different, but also absolutely beautiful. It's got those sturdy corners again. I believe these are Russell and Hazel. Yep, see, there it is. But super sturdy, same size. I've added a bunch more sticker sheets to my 2021. But here she is. It says pre-release sample, not for resale. I don't plan on selling this. Are you joking me? So I'm so excited. I haven't even seen this yet. So let's go ahead and kind of open her up, and I will zoom in on all of the fun. All right, let's slide this down. So here you can see the first page, it says 2021, 2022, celebrate. I love that. You can see that these are similar to last year, right? This is your balloons, and you got your birthdays and your celebrates. Different kind of tone with the color, which I'm really liking. Super fun, and I'm digging the rainbow. That's like kind of everything. I love this like Polaroid banner they've got. So cute. Got yourself a set of presents, some party hats and cupcakes, and of course you got your Steves down here. Can't go wrong with a little bit of Steve. Moving over here, this page, oh, this is fun. There's like a whole host of fun stuff in here. So we've got some stickers from CAD, some delivery, a little mail thing, celebrate your life, a little happy mail, matches the box, more of this, less of that. These are really fun. You got some bar mitzvah, bar and bat mitzvah, some baby stuff, number one dad, number one mom, wish you were here, some travel ones, some weddings, and then you've got some other fun ones down here as well. Looks like you got a menorah. Let's see, yarmulke, Easter basket, back to school. So fun. I love this. It's just, you can literally use this for just about anything. Got a little bit of everything here. Got an I voted sticker, always important. And then we move into some fun and festive Steves. So it sounds like there's a Steve for just about every month. And as you can tell, my buddy, here he is, slightly larger, but so this is St. Patrick's Day Steve. He's here, he's everywhere. Now you can choose your favorite one. They're all good. You got festive Easter egg one, winter one, there's like a summertime, a pumpkin one, like there's all sorts of good ones. But as you can see, you've got just the general icon here, but then you also have some little like flagged boxes, which I think are just so cute. And then we move into, you got your first round of months. So it says hello, January, February, March, goes through the whole year. Then you've got the seasons. So like on the first day of spring this year, you can put this down, super fun. And then we've got ourselves some holidays. So Happy New Year, Valentine's Day, Merry Christmas. Pretty, these are adorable. And then, okay, this is what I love is that they've split this up a little bit differently this year where they've put the months here. So you kind of know where these go the entire time. I also didn't know there was a Black Women's History Month in addition to Black History Month. That's cool. But so you can see here that they've kind of got them paired off. They've got 2 per month, which is awesome. And then these are so fun, but I also sometimes don't forget to check them. But this is where you've got the special days of the year. So New Year's Day, National Hangover Day, Preach, World Introvert Day. And what I love is that they do the little like swirly lines and give you the actual day because, you know, I don't know half of these holidays existed. Bubble Wrap Appreciation Day, I mean, clearly I do. Got here in one piece. But so I love that Kristen adds these so you know exactly when to do this. This is one of my favorite things at the end of like a planning session. I'm like, well, which holidays do we have this week? So thank a mail carrier day. I mean, I feel like after this year, me ordering Amazon, I should thank them all the time. But yeah, so you go through all these holidays and I love the fonts on these. I think they're absolutely beautiful. They're super fun. I feel like Cindy did some of these, which is just so fun. They've got their own unique style to them, which is always great. And so we go through a lot of these. Bunsen Burner Day, April Fool's Day, Unicorn Day, Tax Day. Not a fun day necessarily. You got Ramadan, National Librarian Day, Arbor Day, National Scrapbook Day. We've got Star Wars Day, Cinco de Mayo, Ramadan Ends. Fun, that's great. Eat What You Want Day. I feel like that's every day for me lately. So we move through here. We got Pink Day, Letha. Let's see what else. Sugar Cookie Day, which is interesting that it's in July. I feel like that would be closer to Christmas, I guess, but I don't know. Tequila Day. There's so many in here. Telejoke Day, Prosecco Day. Huh, who knew? So you go through these throughout the entire year. Ashura, Senior Citizens Day, Tooth Fairy Day. Let's see, First Day of Fall, Guacamole Day, Yom Kippur, National Taco Day, Celebrate Bisexuality Day. There you go. Like, there's all sorts of ones in here. But this is what makes your spreads festive, I think, in my opinion, is I just love having all these little holidays because, especially last year, after the year we went through, like, finding a reason to celebrate a little bit and celebrate every day, I think is just something that's really, really fun. So these little things of like, oh my god, National Take a Hike Day. Well, I'm totally going to participate, you know? It's those little things that I feel like really can keep you going. We move into December here, at the end of the year, National French Toast Day, Advent begins, Hanukkah begins. Oh, it's in November this year. Very cool. Bathtub Party Day, Hanukkah ends. Then we've got, obviously, Yuletide, winter, first day of winter, right there, midwinter, Festivus, Christmas Eve, Bacon Day, New Year's Eve. And then down on the bottom here, you got some really cute Celebrate, Let's Celebrate. Always great. And then we move into a bunch of the kits that come in here. And so what I love about these is this basically gets you an entire week's worth of fun things to add to your planner. So this one is obviously a winter kit, Warm Winter Wishes, When Life Gives You Too Much Snow, Make Snow Angels. All right, well, there's a Minnesota quote for you. I'm walking in a winter wonderland. This is really pretty. You've got some accent washi here, some boxes, a ton of fun deco down here. And you've got some other fun script and other fun boxes here. I think the beautiful thing is that these match up a lot with the colorways that Kristen does on Krissyanne Designs already, so you can take this and add it as an extra layer to a planner and really make it shine and make it your own, which I think is awesome. Moving through here, this is definitely a springtime one. Happiness looks good on you. Oh, I love a good compliment, thanks. Be happy, and then bloom, blossom, and grow. I think this is really, really fun. If you have a Bloom Daily Planner, I think this will be fun for you to use some of that, and also your Cultivate What Matters if you're doing some gardening stuff in there. But this is fun. You can clearly tell we're switching into spring, some of those softer, newer colors, really, really pretty. Like Life is in Bloom, Farmer's Market, Rainy Day, Weekend. So much fun. Moving into summer here, you can tell those colors are a bit more vibrant. So it says, Life's the beach, enjoy the waves, hello sunshine, stand tall like a pineapple. I love this one, so funny. And you've got some fun washi strips here that also have some sayings on them. This is clearly for summer, salty but sweet, kissed by the sun. Got those fun, I love these little like Polaroid collage things. They're so adorable. Now we're moving into the fall where we've got kind of that more muted. This is so me, holy moly, this is gorgeous. You got that like navy, some of that lighter, softer things with that orange and peach in there. My favorite color is fall. Bada bing, I'm nuts about fall, and hey pumpkin, I'm falling for you. So clearly you can take these on a journey. Now this is, I believe, ooh, this is like a birthday party one. So another year older, let's have a party, another year wiser. I'm never sure if this is actually right, but so I'll be turning 30 this year, so I probably will use this one in my Moxie life, which is always fun. I love the piñata, do you guys see that? So good time. And this is obviously a Valentine's Day one. It says, I'm stuck on you, I love you to the moon and back. Kisses are 25 cents. Oh, kind of cheap. And then you got yourself another one of those Polaroids. The weekend sticker is festive for each of these. And then this is, I believe, a St. Patrick's Day spread. So once again, my favorite little Steve. He's the man showing up here. Green beer. Oh my God, that's really funny. Lucky Charm, Pinch Proof, Oh So Lucky. Pot of Gold, you got yourself a little rainbow. You got the shoes, the weekend. I love that it's like a, it's not necessarily just a normal like Luck of the Irish, you know, green, white, and gold spread. Like you've got some fun colors mixed in here too. That'll be perfect for March. And then we've hit Halloween, so I put a spell on you. Which better have my candy? Oh, I do love that that's on a Rihanna song. Nicely done. And then it says free broom rides. Again, I love that this is not necessarily just your traditional Halloween colors of the green, the orange, the black. They're in there, but like the focus is some of these other fun colors that take a different turn to it, which I think is so fun. Got a bullet punch, Halloween Beware. So funny. I got an eyeball and a Frankenstein balloon. I just love the detailing on that. Like that is just so cool. So this is obviously a Thanksgiving one, which again, I love because it's not those like standard fall colors, if you will. I think that's for me one of the fun things about Krissyanne designs is, yes, there's a traditional Halloween or fall colors, but she always takes a different turn. So like for me, this feels inspired a bit by like cranberries, right? So you got that cranberry color, and you've also got that like softer or that darker teal, and then there's also that light blue. So it's just a different way of being festive, if you know what I mean, which I love. And so here you got a cutting board, talk turkey to me. That's funny. I just love the sense of humor in these things. And last but certainly not least, we got ourselves a New Year's Eve. Bring it on, 2022. New Year's wishes and midnight kisses. The thing with this that's crazy to me is like, I can't believe we're actually already thinking about 2022 when, oh my God, we just got into 2021. And then last but certainly not least, we've got some fun date covers here for the entire month of the year. I use these a lot in parts of like the monthly area where you have all the months lined up. Really, really fun. And again, I'm really digging the rainbow vibe this year. It's like reminds me of like a Crayola crayon box. And then you've got Let's Celebrate, but first stickers, Noted, it's a planner thing, some of the classics. And then you've got again some winter, spring, summer, and fall coordinating colors here, which I just love. So overall, this is just incredible, isn't it? There's just so much stuff. I feel like if I had to pick a favorite, I think it would probably be the fall one. Isn't that just gorgeous? Like, I'm obsessed. So let's talk a little bit about what's in the Celebrations collection and how this is gonna go down. So the Celebrations collection launches on Friday, January 22nd. And the thing with this is, when I ordered mine last year, the 2020 version, I was actually going to meet a friend of mine who I was working for at the time, and I was on the train, and I like ordered on my phone to make sure I got it in time because these things always sell out, which is just so incredible that I was able to snag one. So here's what's gonna happen is the collection will be released between the 22nd of January and the 26th. In that time, it's likely to sell out. So you should probably, if you're on the fence about buying it or you're considering buying it, you kind of want to make your decision sooner rather than later. Now the thing with this is it is a pre-order, so you will get it in due time. There's a bit of a lag. However, there is something that this year they're doing called a Fast Pass, which is basically the first 150 customers who place their order for the Celebrations collection starting at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time on the launch day could be eligible for the Fast Pass, which means it ships in a week, 5 to 7 days. So you could get this lickety split, which I think is like absolutely fantastic, because then you can start using it right away. The other thing is that, as I mentioned, every one of us that were fortunate enough to be able to get this ahead of time has our own little favorite Steve. So mine is St. Patrick's Day Steve. And if you use the coupon code, which I believe is AMANWITHTHEPLANS, at checkout, you'll actually be able to get yourself one of the launch gifts, which is going to be this special keychain. So if you want to bring a little bit of Lucky Steve around with you wherever you go, which I'm totally gonna, use that code. I'll leave it linked down below, as well as my link to Krissyanne Design's website. It is an affiliate link, just, you know, being above the board about that. So I'll receive a little bit of commission to help keep the channel running at no cost to you. So overall, this collection is just pretty incredible, because if you think about it, you get yourself these exclusive samplers, which are, you got your doodles and your normal Celebrate Your Life, and then you've got these little gorgeous Steves here. And then you move into all of the dated holidays. I believe there's 8 pages full of all of these dated holidays that are custom lettered, which are just absolutely beautiful. And I just love, like, World Emoji Day. Come on now, who says no to that? So all of this, and then you've got each of your sampler kits. I think there's, how many are in here? There's a lot, aren't there? Let's see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9 sampler kits here. So what's not to love, right? Alright, so some other important information around the Celebrations collection this year is that this is normally $196, however, it's actually priced at $129 plus shipping. So you get all of those base kits here. Turnaround time is expected to be up to 6 weeks, not including shipping time. So if you don't get one of those fast passes, you could be waiting a little bit longer to get your order. So I highly recommend, if you're like ready to go, so excited for this for launch day on January 22nd at noon Central Standard Time, get your butt over to that Krissyanne Design's website and make sure you put in your order as fast as possible, because I'd love for you to be able to get it real quick so that you can start using it. Some of the other things here, all of the things that are on here will be listed the day of the launch. And the other thing too is that because this is a specialty promotion, normally with Krissyanne Designs, if you spend $100, you get a free binder. Because it comes with its own binder and it's part of a special collection, it's not really eligible for the free extra binder promotion. But you know, you do get this binder in there, so it's kind of like you get one anyway. So what do you guys think? Are you excited for this? Are you going to be getting this on launch day? I know that I am. This is just so pretty, and I just think that this is like my favorite way of really being able to, you know, use Krissyanne Designs the way that I love it. I think that I just feel so much special. You know, those little holidays make me feel so much happier. So let me know your thoughts. Thanks again, Kristen, for letting me review this. I'm so excited. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it, and it does help my channel out. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and click that red subscribe button so you can see all of my content in your feed whenever it's published. Other thing you should note is to hit that notification bell. I hear that there is a thing now where you can do what's called personalized. So I've been going through my own YouTube subscriptions and changing those notifications over to personalized, so I can kind of pick and choose the videos that are interested to me. They'll kind of send them that way. Go ahead and do that. I'm working on 2 videos per week right now, but hopefully I'll be able to increase that over time. Go ahead and follow me over on Instagram at AMANWITHTHEPLANS and over on Facebook. Remember, the code is going to be AMANWITHTHEPLANS, so go ahead and make sure you remember that on launch day. If you have any other questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments below. I want to know for today, what was your favorite page? What was your favorite sticker that we talked about? I want to know. There's so many in here to choose from, but you tell me what was your favorite kid. How's that? Alright, well that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you over on launch day on January 22nd. Bye, planner friends.